All right, folks, in this video, I'd like to show you how easy it is to remove the auxiliary battery on this 2012 Mercedes ML350. I think it applies to many other models as well, but you need to check with that. Anyways, all you have to do is there's a cover right here like this. Remove this cover, and then you have this thing that goes here. All you have to do is press it down inwards, remove it. There is this, which is attached right here. You just open this, get it out of the way. I've done this already. And then grab this corner, and pull it where you can have it in this shape, so you can reach down here with a 10mm ratcheting wrench to get to this bolt which holds the battery, which is right there on the side, right here. Once you open this bolt with this 10mm battery, the bracket that holds this, you push it this way, and then you can just reach out, take the battery out, replace it with a new one, and then reverse. You don't have to open this whole thing here, this cover, or here or here. It took me probably less than 5 minutes to get to this. I mean, the whole operation might be like 15 minutes to replace this battery. Good luck.